To use Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone 17, start by opening Settings, and now just scroll down for Focus mode. Then open the Do Not Disturb mode, and before you start customizing the Do Not Disturb mode, you have to scroll down and decide when you want to turn it on and off. So as default, it will be turned on 9 a.m. and it will turns off on 5 p.m. Of course, if you want to get rid of it, you can just delete this schedule, and you can customize and add schedule up to your preferences, depends of time, location, or application that you are opening. There's also the smart activation function, so that's basically it for turning it on and off. And over here, you can also find option to customize lock screens and the home screen during the Do Not Disturb mode. And you can add some, people and apps that will be allowed to interrupt you during that Do Not Disturb mode. In the options, you can also find a few other things, but that's basically everything.